yogic breathing practice for stress relief. Let's start. Let's find yourself on a chair or on the ground, wherever you feel most convenient. Sit in Sukhasana if you're sitting on the ground, or in Padmasana. Become aware of your breath for a moment. Then inhale into your abdomen. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale fully, completely, and begin 20 pumping of Kapalbhati. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Release and relax. We will do second round, 30 pumpings. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale fully, completely, and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Third round, 30 pumping. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale fully, completely, and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Release and relax. Bring your awareness onto your breath, onto your body. Feel the calmness and the stillness that you may be feeling on each and every part of your body. Rub your palm together and bring your hands onto your eyes, onto your face. Give warmth to your face and gently rub your face. Give thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.